it would seem that I forgot to press record on this. So this is the Circe and Aphrodite alternate sculpt. It's the Paolo Parenti box set. I've marked it off already. In the box you get Circe and her little pigs, and you get an alternative sculpt of Aphrodite. So let's have a look at these sculpts and the cards. I've already done this once. I only realised I'd not pressed record after I'd finished it. So let's have a look. I'll move that out of the way, and we have the cards for Aphrodite, we have the cards for Circe, we have the cards for Circe's pig, and we have the cards, or this card, for Circe's pigs as well. Again, just going to have to find out exactly how these work. I know with some of them, with these cards, they're in a deck that you shuffle and draw, whereas that one, that's your like a control card, gives you all the information about it. So the first mini out of the gate is Circe herself with one of her pigs. And then we have 1, 2, 3 little pigs. One that made his house out of straw, another that made his house out of mud, was it? I can't remember. And the third little pig built his house out of bricks. All we shot of is the big bad wolf. There we go. So that's Circe and the 3 little pigs, and now a sculpt of Aphrodite. She's not small. She's not small at all. Beautiful sculpt. Lovely pose. Looking very coy and demure with her finger pointing to her mouth as though chewing on her fingernail. And just to give you an idea of scale, here's Aphrodite next to Circe. Nice. So that is the Paolo Parenti guest box. Let's just zoom out a little bit so we've got everything in there. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I messed it up. You didn't actually see the opening of it. I'll give you a look at the box now. And that's it. I'll zoom out a little bit more. So that's basically the box. In fact, let's pop that lid on, put them back under here. I can put it in the box, then I'll fasten it all up, or I could, if the fucking thing would go in. There we are. And there we go. So yes, there's the artwork that has inspired the minis, and that's the back. There you go. As I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that I messed up, but at least you get to see what there is. So until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.